Hi guys, I decided to do that video because I see so many videos on YouTube which helping to everybody. So this video it's about Philips 10 watch. I would like to show to everybody the watch is less than month and a half old watch. I would like to show to everybody how poor qualities of the metal. I already sent email to Philips 10 and just I've been told by them that sorry about that, the steel of the watch is 360L which they are using for surgery, but I've been told by them as well that I must to polish the watch again by jewelry shop, which it doesn't work for me this way. My opinion for this particular watch, it's really good quality. It's a good I'm trying to say the watch is really good design, but the quality of the watch it's really poor. So if I compare this remote control of Samsung, it's 2 years old, you see there is no scratches, and it's we've been using this every day. And the watch I've been used that Philips 10 watch, I use maybe 1 week I've been wear the watch, and it's not every day and all the time. And the scratches are really, I'm so disappointed from the metal. I'm trying to show you, I hope you can see well, and I'm gonna post few pictures which in the pictures is clearly. To me this watch costs not about $100, $150 maximum. No, it's not the original price, 1,700 pounds. The watch is really doesn't worth this money, unfortunately. It's nice design, but the quality is so cheap. It's really poor watch. So I'm just trying to show you the scratches, and how I said I've been wearing the watch 7 days maybe, and not every day, and it's really so, it's a shame. You see, I'm trying to do the best as I can. It's for 1 week watch. Imagine what can happen if I wear this watch every day, or what will gonna happen after one year or after 2 years. It will be really disgusting. How I said, if we compare that Samsung remote, you see it's 2 years old. So can we compare that watch with that remote control? No. So my opinion is, I'm advising people to not buy that watch. It really doesn't worth the money. It doesn't worth the money. And there is some special disc inside. I don't believe that. To me this is just normal battery. And the second reason, what I find out about the watch, it's the battery has to be changed every 18 months, and it's not covered by the watchmaker company, which is it's funny. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope you like it. And it's your choice if you're going to buy something which is really doesn't worth the money, just the name. So if you buy the name, it's okay, but we buying actually the name, we don't buying the product. It's really, it's a shame to say, but it's a rubbish product. It doesn't worth the money at all, guys. Thank you very much for watching my video.